Hello students, in today's video let us see types of ROM. So there are 5 types of ROMs that we have. So we'll see them one by one. So first is the masked ROM. So what is the masked ROM? So these ROMs were nothing but these were the first ROMs that were built. So that is why it's a hardwired device. That is, it is pre-programmed. Like whatever the program you need to have in this ROM will be done in the factory itself, that is wherever this ROM is built, and the contents of ROMs had to be specified before the production of this ROM, so the actual data could be used to arrange the transistors inside this chip, okay, the ROM chip. So you can say this was like one of the it's just when the ROM came into existence and this kind of masked ROM were made. So after that, next one we have is the programmable ROM. When we say programmable ROM, you can get the idea that this ROM can be programmed. So what do you mean by that actually? Instead of having this hardwired pre-programmed masked ROM, that is whatever it was built in the factory itself before it was bought, before it was used by the user. So what can be done is the user, or the one who is actually knows how to program this ROM, he can just get the like kind of hardware or the blank ROMs like that is available in the market, freely available, that is blank PROM chips, you can say. It is bought and the users can code this as of their choice, okay. And there is a device used for that, we call that as a PROM programmer, okay, that is to program this programmable ROM. And this contents once programmed, they cannot be changed later. So that is the advantage, that is you don't have to it need not be coming as a pre-programmed ROM. The user who wants to program it can program it, and once done it cannot be changed, okay. Then we have the next type, that is the erasable programmable ROM. We call that as a EPROM. So what does this do? It is same thing, the program is done as we do in this programmable ROM, but the difference is, if you feel like erasing anything, like if you want to reprogram, if something goes wrong and you want to reprogram the ROM, you can easily reprogram this. That is, you can erase whatever the code you have written before and you can just reprogram it. So how you will erase this? Just nothing but you expose this erasable programmable ROM to the UV light for some time. So whatever the program you have written, that will be erased, and again you can write in this ROM. The thing is, you cannot be selective in choosing the programs, now the codes or the lines, and then program it. The thing is, once if you are erasing the programmable ROM, that is erasable programmable ROM, then entire content of that ROM will be erased. So you can, like part by part, you cannot delete it or you cannot erase it. So the whole thing can be erased and rewritten again, okay. So that is erasable programmable ROM. Next is electrically erasable programmable ROM. Again, as the name says, it can be erased by an electric charge, okay. So using some electric charge, you can erase whatever is written in the ROM, and to write on that, you need to have a slightly higher than the normal voltage, okay. The electricity, whatever you are having, the voltage of it should be slightly more than normal, and you can erase it. And one more thing is, it erases only one byte at a time, unlike the previous one which erased the whole ROM or PROM or erasable programmable ROM. In this, only one byte is erased at a time. So what could be the next one? The flash ROM. So it is also called as flash BIOS or flash memory. So the advantage is that, as we seen in the previous one, at only one byte could be erased at time. Here the block of codes or block of the programs written can be erased. So that is why it is used in a by use in a personal computer. Okay, so that is, it is needs to be changed or rewritten whenever you feel like you need to change the BIOS, or you need to update your BIOS, then this kind of ROM is used. So for this there are no mm, the physical action to be taken. It can actually be given some commands and done it. So these are also used in digital cellular phones, digital cameras, and other devices. Okay, so these are the types of ROM that are available. Next is a RAM, ROM, and a CPU interaction, which we'll see in the next video.